Hi, my name is Harwell and I'm the owner of Harwell Design. We specialize in high-end driveway gates and fences, but we also love to do refinishing. Refinishing is one of our favorite things because you take something that looks super beat up and we make it look better than the day it was built. So if you have an old deck or fence that needs refinishing, give us a call. We would also love to invite you to our 7,000 square foot showroom that's located in Mid-City, Los Angeles. Here you can pick and choose different stain colors and check out the different design items that we have on display. As you can see in the display behind me, we work with a lot of reclaimed wood. We love to integrate different types of wood with that reclaimed wood, such as hardwoods and different colored woods, that brings out that amazing modern technique that we specialize in. We've been in business since 2005 in Los Angeles, and we're a family-owned business. We're one of the few businesses that has the mom and dad working alongside the son, and every team member on our team is super fun and happy and highly skilled, and we promise to bring you some of the best, most beautiful driveway gates, fences, and any custom woodworking that you're looking for.